How the Fulton Surface-to-Air Recovery System works. The Fulton Surface-to-Air Recovery System, commonly known as STARS, stands as a remarkable example of human ingenuity and innovation in the field of military aviation. Developed during the Cold War era, this system was designed to enable the retrieval of personnel, equipment, and intelligence agents from hostile territories without the need for landing aircraft. The concept of the Fulton STARS, attributed to inventor Robert Edison Fulton Jr., showcases how creativity can address the unique challenges faced in military operation, and its use and impact continue to captivate military strategists to this day. The origins of the Fulton STARS can be traced back to the late 1940s and early 1950s, during a time of intense rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union. As the Cold War escalated, both superpowers sought innovative ways to gain a strategic advantage. One particular challenge was the retrieval of personnel and intelligence agents who were deployed behind enemy lines in covert operations. Traditionally, such individuals were retrieved through risky ground extraction or expensive parachute drops, both of which were highly vulnerable to detection by enemy forces. It was against this backdrop that Robert Edison Fulton Jr., a talented inventor and engineer, conceived the idea of a system that could snatch individuals from the ground without the need for landing aircraft. His vision led to the development of what would later be known as the Fulton STARS. How the Fulton STARS works. The Fulton STARS operates on a simple yet ingenious principle, using a low-flying aircraft to extend a long cable or line with a specially designed retrieval hook to the person or object on the ground. Once the hook is attached to the target, the aircraft rapidly ascends, lifting the individual or equipment off the ground and into the air. The aircraft then retracts the cable, drawing the captured target safely into the cargo bay or cabin. The most commonly used aircraft for the Fulton STARS system was the C-130 Hercules, a robust and versatile military transport aircraft. The C-130's capabilities made it well suited for such retrieval operation, with its ability to fly at slow speeds and its cargo hold providing ample space for the retrieved personnel or equipment. Recovery line. The recovery line is a strong and flexible cable that forms the backbone of the Fulton STARS system. It is made from durable materials capable of withstanding immense tension and stress during the retrieval process. At the end of the recovery line is the specially designed retrieval hook. This hook has a secure and reliable mechanism to attach to the target on the ground quickly. The aircraft is equipped with a powerful winch and reel system that allows the recovery line to be extended and retracted rapidly. This system ensures the successful capture and retrieval of the target in a swift and controlled manner. The Fulton STARS system found utility in various military scenarios. Search and rescue. The system was employed to retrieve downed pilots or stranded military personnel in hostile territories or areas where traditional rescue methods were not feasible. Espionage and intelligence operations. Intelligence agents and operatives engaged in covert operations behind enemy lines could be extracted swiftly and discreetly, mitigating the risks of capture or compromise. Equipment retrieval. The Fulton STARS could be used to recover sensitive equipment, such as reconnaissance devices or other intelligence-gathering tools, from remote or dangerous locations. Logistical support. The system aided in the delivery of essential supplies and equipment to teams operating in isolated or inaccessible regions. While the Fulton STARS system demonstrated impressive capabilities, it was not without its challenges and risks. Precision was crucial during the retrieval process, as any miscalculations could lead to accidents or endanger the lives of personnel on the ground. Additionally, the system required highly trained and skilled aircrews to execute successful missions, as the complexities of the operation demanded utmost expertise. Moreover, the Fulton STARS' effectiveness could be limited by adverse weather conditions or enemy countermeasures. The low-flying aircraft conducting the retrieval were vulnerable to ground fire, and the noise generated during the operation could alert hostile forces, leading to potential threats to the aircraft and the retrieved individuals. The legacy of the Fulton STARS endures in various military operations and historical contexts. Though advancements in technology have brought about alternative methods for aerial extraction and transport, the ingenuity and daring nature of the Fulton STARS system continue to inspire military strategists. In modern times, the principles of the Fulton STARS have influenced the development of autonomous retrieval systems and unmanned aerial vehicles capable of executing similar tasks. These advancements allow for safer and more efficient aerial recovery missions, reducing the risk to personnel and aircraft. The Fulton Surface-to-Air Recovery System remains an emblem of human resourcefulness and determination to overcome the challenges of military operation. Its historical significance lies not only in its successful retrieval missions during the Cold War but also in its lasting impact on the field of aviation and aerial recovery techniques. The Fulton Star's ability to retrieve personnel and equipment in hostile environments has left an indelible mark on the annals of military history and serves as a testament to the power of innovation in times of conflict.